They all think that I know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna throw my helmet on and we'll see, I guess. Some of you may recognize where this is, and for those that have seen my TV show, you'll know that this is the Richmond Corner Rec Center, where the lawnmower races are held every summer. Here is a quick look at last year. I'm Ben Cummings, and welcome to the Richmond Corner Lawnmower Racing. Woo! Woo! He wiped out.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand.
So, for those who are unfamiliar, lawnmower racing is actually far from rednecks just going in a circle. These are high-performance machines. And after last year, a few of the organizers and racers figured I should try one out and maybe race on race day.
Excited? Sick of go-karts. Just a lot more power.
You get your helmet and stuff, she's ready to go.
I'll go suit up. Awesome.
They all think that I know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna throw my helmet on and we'll see, I guess. Trying not to look like a complete idiot, but we'll find out.
Mason, you just like to watch dirt.
I started out pretty timid, but before long, I wasn't afraid to give it a little throttle. On Saturday, but I am up. That's dangerous. That's very dangerous. Needless to say, I think we're all pretty excited for Saturday. So, if you're looking for something to do, this is where I'll be. Really?
Yeah.
Nobody watched my TV show? You watched my TV show?
All three.
All three?
Or two or something.
There's 6 episodes. I don't know what you're talking about.